Here's how we can recover deleted documents from Android phone. So let me show you how we can make it work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so the first method would be to use the built-in file manager. For example, on my Samsung phone, I have these Samsung files called My Files. So I can get inside, and this is the place where all of the storage is put together. This includes the local storage, cloud, network storage, and even the third-party connected SSDs or SD cards. It's going to be put all together. And the point is that you can get inside, for example, the internal storage and manage the stuff right here. So you can delete a document and then it's going to be part of the trash folder. So in here, you can tap on a trash and anything that you have deleted is going to stay here for 30 days. So if there is a document you have removed, you're going to have 30 days to recover your deleted document. It's going to be part of this trash folder. So that's the most straightforward part or way to find your deleted documents. However, as you can see, you might have the documents stored somewhere else, like for example in a cloud storage, which is not part of this, or you can as well see that you have some apps for managing documents. For example, I have a PDF editor downloaded and I might have some files stored in here, so it would make sense to go through this application and try to find it. Similarly, part of the files, you can as well look it up through the search, so perhaps it's not part of the local storage but somewhere else. So it really depends on where the document is supposed to be. You can try to look it up through the search or use a third-party app to see if it's not part of this or part of any cloud storage. But the best way to recover it is to just browse the trash folder and hopefully it's going to be there so you can recover it. But that's all from me. I hope I was able to guide you through it and explain that. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future uploads.